Hey, I just wanted to share this really cool little trick that I do that for some reason not many people know about. If you take some resin that you use for 3D printing and a UV curing pen like this, you can actually use resin as a glue. It's really cool. I'm going to shut up because the video is pretty self-explanatory, so enjoy. Hey, here's me again. I just wanted to let you know that this is what I call flashing, and it's where I literally turn the UV torch on for just a second, just enough so that it becomes half cured, sort of tactile, and then I can go back in and cure it properly and create these sort of joins. What is even cooler is when you paint the model, these lines or these join lines become even less visible and look more like one piece. Just make sure that the pieces you are trying to UV resin together are not painted, as UV resin will not stick to paint and it only sticks to itself. I'll see you in the next video.